We will also work together to continuously strengthen the role of G20 in global economic governance, advance the reform of international financial system, and improve the global economic governance to ward off and guard against future financial or economic crisis.
我们同意扩大两国在气候变化、能源、环境领域的合作，在共同但有区别的责任原则和各自能力的基础上，同有关各方一道推动哥本哈根大会取得积极成果。
They represent every ward of Chicago.
And January round, because we cooperated so well, we were able to ward off the worst that could have happened.
View China's influence in its own backyard, especially since you've just talked about the Cold War and alliances. And secondly, what plan does the US have, if any, to contribute more to economic life in the Caribbean to ward off China in terms of foreign direct investment? Thank you very much, Mr. President.